Hi guys, it's Eva and today I'm going to be making banana bread. This was the first ever thing I made when I first started baking, so it's one of my favourites. So let's get into the baking. The ingredients you'll need are 225 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of butter, 3 mashed bananas, 130 grams of sultans or raisins, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 eggs. Let's get into the baking. The first thing we're going to do is put all our dry ingredients into the bowl. So that includes our self-raising flour, our baking powder, and then all we're going to do is just sieve this in. Normally you would add sugar into this recipe, but this is a sugar-free recipe, and instead of the sugar we are adding the extra bananas and extra raisins. So next we're going to pour in the milk and add in the smashed bananas. We are then also going to add in the butter. We are then going to pop this under the mixer and just mix like normal. Okay, that has been mixing now, and then we're now just going to pop this up and crack all the eggs into the bowl. And we're going to mix this again. So now all we're going to do is add in the raisins and mix this on a fairly low speed. Okay, so I've just aligned my cake tin, and we are now going to pour all of this mixture into here. So this is now got all the mixture inside, and now we're going to pop it back into the preheated oven for 1 hour in total. I just wanted to say before we take the cake out of the oven that I will now only be fasting on Sundays. I think you might have noticed that every so often it's just a Sunday. So every Sunday I will be posting, so that just works better with my timetable. Here's the finished product. It's come out the oven and it is looking very nice.